purpose of this video is a little bit of a public service announcement.
This isn't the first frame off that we've done, and it sounds really cool when you say frame off. The most important advice I could give is to be honest with what you're really going to do with your project. This car has changed scope probably 7 or 8 times since we started on it a few months ago. It was originally just going to be put a used LT1 in it and get it running, and now it's off the frame and it's got all new suspension and everything else going into it with an LS swap. So
I'd like to say it's the first time this has happened. This is the 3rd time that this has happened. An 87 Monte Carlo SS. We realize it's a lot of work. You know, going through this level of effort and then putting crusty, rusty fuel lines or brake lines or hardware back on is just, the OCD takes over. It's not an option. Our goal in all reality was to generate some content. We do a lot with Cerakote. We do a lot with the B-Body parts. We own the website bbodyparts.com. We've been making parts for these cars for 10 plus years. We've never really done anything at this level of restoration on an Impala. But we have done it on a wagon. But we didn't go frame off on it. But we really did do everything else shy of taking that off the frame. And I think if we'd have had a lift and or the resources to take that one off the frame, it would have come off the frame.
The goal with that car was just a little more power, but still not sacrifice reliability. But, you know, if you set a goal and get the, you know, maybe buy the parts in chunks so you can do one thing and finish it and then do another and finish it. And before long, you know, you'll have made a lot of progress. Advice I could give is set a time budget, set a dollar amount budget, and probably triple the time budget and double the dollar amount budget, just so you're being real with yourself.
We're doing basic type upgrades that we think anybody on somewhat of a budget that wants things just a little nicer than stock can do. Yeah, we could have gone QA1, we could have done all this stuff, but we're not sponsored. We're just a couple of dudes having some fun and like playing with cars. So.